Welcome to our latest video on the psychology of fun, how to make work feel like play. In today's fast-paced world, the line between work and play can often blur, leaving many feeling burnt out and uninspired. But what if we told you that there's a way to blend productivity with a playful approach, making work not only more enjoyable but also more effective? That's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. Making work feel like play is all about infusing elements of fun, creativity, and engagement into your daily tasks. It's about shifting your mindset from seeing work as a chore to viewing it as an opportunity for growth and enjoyment. By incorporating playfulness into your work routine, you can unlock a whole new level of motivation, creativity, and satisfaction. The benefits of making work feel like play are numerous. Not only does it increase your overall job satisfaction, but it also boosts your productivity and creativity. When you approach tasks with a playful mindset, you're more likely to think outside the box, come up with innovative solutions, and collaborate effectively with others. In essence, making work feel like play can transform your work experience from mundane and draining to exciting and fulfilling. In this video, we'll be sharing practical tips rooted in psychology that can help you infuse more fun and playfulness into your workday. From incorporating gamification techniques to embracing a growth mindset, we'll explore actionable strategies that you can start implementing right away. By understanding the psychological principles behind making work feel like play, you'll be better equipped to create a work environment that is not only productive but also enjoyable. So, whether you're feeling stuck in a rut at work or simply looking to enhance your overall work experience, this video is for you. Join us as we delve into the psychology of fun and discover how you can make work feel like play, one playful step at a time. Be sure to like and subscribe to Affiliate Monarchs for more content like this. Understanding the psychology of fun. Have you ever wondered why incorporating fun into work can have such a profound impact on productivity and satisfaction? The answer lies in the psychology of fun, which reveals the powerful role that positive emotions play in boosting motivation and creativity in the workplace. Positive emotions, such as joy, excitement, and enthusiasm, have been shown to enhance cognitive function and problem-solving abilities. When we experience these emotions while working, our brains are more open to new ideas, more resilient in the face of challenges, and more likely to collaborate effectively with others. By infusing our work environment with elements of fun and playfulness, we can tap into these positive emotions and unlock our full creative potential. But the benefits of incorporating fun into work go beyond just boosting productivity. Playfulness has also been linked to reduced stress levels and improved overall well-being in a work environment. When we engage in activities that bring us joy and laughter, our bodies release endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting chemicals that help to alleviate stress and promote a sense of relaxation. By creating a work culture that values fun and play, companies can help their employees better manage stress, improve their mental health, and foster a more positive and supportive work environment. Many successful companies have recognized the importance of integrating fun into their work culture and have reaped the rewards of doing so. Companies like Google, Pixar, and Zappos are known for their playful and creative work environments, where employees are encouraged to express themselves, take risks, and have fun while working. By prioritizing fun and playfulness, these companies have not only attracted top talent but have also fostered a culture of innovation, collaboration, and employee satisfaction. In our next segment, we'll dive deeper into the practical strategies that companies can implement to create a fun and engaging work culture that enhances productivity and satisfaction for all employees. Stay tuned to learn how you can bring more fun into your workday and reap the benefits of a playful approach to work. Practical tips for making work enjoyable. Are you ready to transform your workday from mundane to enjoyable? In this segment, we'll be sharing practical tips and techniques to help you infuse fun and playfulness into your daily tasks, making work feel more like play and less like a chore. One effective strategy for making work enjoyable is to gamify work processes. By incorporating elements of game design, such as setting clear objectives, providing feedback, and offering rewards, you can increase motivation and efficiency among your team. Whether it's turning a project into a friendly competition or using a point system to track progress, gamification can make even the most routine tasks feel engaging and exciting. Another key tip for making work enjoyable is to set achievable goals and reward progress along the way. By breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable goals, you can maintain a sense of accomplishment and momentum throughout the workday. Celebrate small victories, whether it's completing a task ahead of schedule or reaching a milestone, to keep yourself motivated and engaged. By acknowledging your progress and rewarding yourself for your efforts, you'll stay motivated and inspired to tackle the next challenge with enthusiasm. Creating a positive work environment is essential for fostering creativity and collaboration. Encourage open communication, celebrate diversity of ideas, and provide opportunities for team members to collaborate and share their expertise. By fostering a culture of respect, trust, and support, you can create a work environment where employees feel valued, empowered, and inspired to bring their best selves to work each day. By implementing these practical tips and techniques, you can transform mundane tasks into engaging activities that feel like play. Stay tuned as we explore more strategies for making work enjoyable and discover how you can create a work environment that promotes creativity, collaboration, and overall job satisfaction. Balancing productivity and playfulness. Finding the perfect balance between productivity goals and incorporating fun elements into your work routine can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. In this segment, we'll provide insights on how you can strike that balance effectively, ensuring that you stay focused, motivated, and engaged while achieving your work objectives. One key concept to consider when blending productivity with playfulness is structured play. Structured play involves incorporating intentional and purposeful elements of fun into your work routine, such as setting aside time for creative brainstorming sessions, team-building activities, or gamified tasks. By introducing structured play into your workday, you can enhance focus, boost performance, and foster a more positive and engaging work environment. Structured play allows you to tap into your creativity, problem-solving skills, and collaborative spirit, all while staying on track with your productivity goals. Effective time management is essential in ensuring that playfulness does not compromise productivity. Set clear priorities, establish a daily schedule, and allocate time for both work tasks and play activities. By managing your time effectively and staying organized, you can strike a balance between productivity and playfulness, maximizing your efficiency and enjoyment in the process. Remember, playfulness can be a powerful motivator and stress reliever, but it should complement your work efforts rather than detract from them. Self-awareness and adaptability are key in finding the right balance between productivity and playfulness that works for your individual work style. Pay attention to your energy levels, work preferences, and creative rhythms to determine when and how to incorporate fun elements into your work routine. Be open to experimenting with different strategies, adjusting your approach as needed, and staying attuned to what brings out the best in your work performance and overall well-being. By embracing structured play, practicing effective time management, and cultivating self-awareness and adaptability, you can strike a harmonious balance between productivity and playfulness, creating a work experience that is both fulfilling and successful. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these concepts and explore more ways to enhance your work life through a playful and productive approach. Are you enjoying this motivational content? Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Fostering a playful work culture. Creating a work environment that encourages creativity, innovation, and enjoyment is essential for cultivating a positive and productive workplace. In this segment, we'll explore various ways to foster a playful work culture that inspires collaboration, boosts morale, and enhances overall job satisfaction. Team-building activities and social interactions play a crucial role in fostering a playful work culture. By organizing team-building exercises, group outings, and social events, you can strengthen relationships among team members, improve communication, and build a sense of camaraderie. These activities not only promote collaboration and teamwork but also create a fun and supportive work environment where employees feel valued, connected, and motivated to succeed. Leadership plays a pivotal role in promoting a positive and fun work atmosphere. Effective leaders set the tone for the work culture by modeling a playful and engaging attitude, encouraging creativity and innovation, and recognizing and rewarding employees for their contributions. By fostering a culture of trust, respect, and open communication, leaders can create a work environment where employees feel empowered to express themselves, take risks, and embrace a playful approach to work. Successful companies have implemented various strategies for creating a playful and productive work environment. Companies like Airbnb, Slack, and Patagonia are known for their innovative and fun work cultures, where employees are encouraged to bring their whole selves to work, think outside the box, and have fun while doing so. From office design that promotes collaboration and creativity to flexible work policies that prioritize work-life balance, these companies have embraced a playful mindset that fuels creativity, engagement, and success. By incorporating team-building activities, fostering strong leadership, and drawing inspiration from successful strategies, you can cultivate a work culture that is not only productive but also enjoyable. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to foster a playful work environment and unlock the full potential of your team's creativity and innovation. Conclusion. As we come to the end of the psychology of fun, how to make work feel like play, video. Let's recap the key points discussed and empower you to take action towards creating a work experience that is both productive and enjoyable. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of blending productivity with a playful approach to work. By infusing elements of fun, creativity, and engagement into your daily tasks, you can transform your work experience from mundane and draining to exciting and fulfilling. Making work feel like play not only boosts productivity and creativity but also enhances overall job satisfaction and well-being. We've shared practical tips rooted in psychology that can help you infuse more fun and playfulness into your workday. From gamifying work processes to setting achievable goals and creating a positive work environment, these strategies can help you unlock your full creative potential, stay motivated, and enjoy the work you do each day. Now, it's time for you to take action. Implement the practical tips shared in this video to enhance your work life and create a more engaging and fulfilling work experience. Embrace structured play, practice effective time management, and foster a playful work culture that inspires creativity, innovation, and collaboration. If you found this video insightful and valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from learning how to make work more enjoyable. Together, let's spread the message of making work feel like play and empower individuals to create work environments that are not only productive but also fun and rewarding. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the psychology of fun and discover how you can make work feel like play. Here's to a more playful, creative, and fulfilling work life ahead.